Jesus.
I want to see the sun.
I wanna see the light of the world.
I want to see the rain.
I wanna see the rainbow around your crown.
I want to see the stars.
I can see the great star, warm one.
Dear Lord,
My dear
I want
Lord,
to feel your breath.
let me feel your presence on the Mount of
Let me
Olives.
receive your blessing.
Pour down your blessings, dear Lord.
Shine your light upon my face.
I'm trapped inside the tunnel. Darkness is all I see. All is there is me and the Bible, which I can't even see to read. I sat and began to cry, thinking that I'm gonna die. No one can hear me scream. No one will ever hear my dream. In the tunnel was a light shining. I got up and looked to see. Outside was mighty windy, and some birds were singing in a tree. Great is thy faithfulness. That's a song the birds were singing. That was when I took up the Bible, got on my knees, and then I started to pray.
Jesus, I want to see the sunshine. I want to see the rainbow. I want to see the stars in the sky. Dear Lord, I want to feel your presence. Let me receive your blessings. Shine your light upon my face.
Now after 15 hours, I had a presentiment. Dark clouds portend the storm, while lightning flashes and the thunder roars. I'm sweltered in the dark, reminiscing on the things of the past, wondering how I got here. Only the Father knows. Again I started praying, crying, help me dear Lord. I know I have been sinful, and I've been trying hard to follow your words and footsteps. Lord knows I wanna be like you. And in my closing words, I wanna thank you, Lord, for all you've done. Jesus, I wanna see the light of the world. Let me see the rainbow.
Stars in the sky.
I wanna see the stars.
Lord, I want to feel your presence. Let me receive your blessing.
Pour down your blessings.
Shine your light upon my face.
Shine your light upon my face.
I want to see the sun.
I wanna see the sunshine.
I want to see the rain.
I wanna see the rainbow.
I want to see the stars in the sky. Dear Lord, I want to feel your presence.
I wanna feel your presence on the Mount of Olives.
Shine your light upon my face.
Lord, take me out of this darkness.
I want to see the sun.
Take me out so I can see the light.
I want to see the rain.
I wanna see the light which shines from your face,
I want to
because
see
you're the light
stars in
which shines on the long way.